A special session of the Washington State Legislature resulted in a law that keeps drug possession illegal in the Evergreen State. That takes effect July 1st. But many cities created their own rules while waiting for state lawmakers to act. KapKV's Emily Goodell talked to Yakima police about what happens when someone is caught with illegal drugs.
Statistics show a big drop in drug crime in Yakima over the past 2 years, but police say drug crime didn't drop. Their ability to deal with it did.
The best way to describe it to folks is if we contacted somebody with narcotics before, during this odd period, we were supposed to offer them services and walk away. And then the third time you could actually take enforcement action. But how would you know it was the third time?
Because there wasn't a good system in place to keep track of those contacts, especially between different agencies.
They made it very, very difficult to enforce any type of drug violation criminally. Fast forward 2 years, pretty much unanimously they figured that didn't work very well.
State lawmakers changed that when they passed the Blake Fix bill in a special session earlier this year.
Now, it's not the same as it was. It's not a felony. It's a misdemeanor. But in essence, we now have criminalization of drugs again.
The Yakima City Council passed an ordinance Tuesday night making changes to its municipal code, allowing them to charge misdemeanor drug cases through municipal court, which would increase the caseload for city prosecutors by about 200 cases a year. But the city has a charging unit to help with that.
A charging unit allows you to review cases before they're filed. You can weed out the non-viable cases, and you can also divert people through a pre-filing diversion program.
The program gives the city a way to reduce its caseload and public defense costs while keeping people out of jail who really need treatment.
Right now, our program consists of getting at the root causes of criminal activity. So all of the participants go through a mental health evaluation, they go through a drug and alcohol evaluation, and they have to do whatever treatment is recommended.
Allowing police to hold people accountable for breaking the law while still getting them the help they need. In Yakima, Emily Goodell, KapKV Local News.
Now, the police chief tells us they are not planning to do any type of emphasis patrols for drug offenders, but if they do see someone with illegal drugs in their possession, he says they can now do something about it.